Booking LTL freight with Koho takes 3 minutes or less, and it all starts in the dashboard. This is what your dashboard will look like your first time signing in. As you book shipments, your dashboard will populate with more data, but we'll get there later. First things first, here's how we can book our first shipment. Let's click on the Get a Quote button. Here, we can input our shipping info. First, let's start by inputting the origin and destination information. So for this example, we're going to be shipping from a business with a loading dock or forklift. And we're also going to be delivering to a business with a dock or forklift. Now, it's really important that we select the correct accessorials to avoid any ad bills or rebills, such as if we were shipping from a residential address that doesn't have a loading dock or forklift, we would need to ensure that this liftgate box is checked. But since we're going from a business with a dock or forklift, we'll be all good. So let's make sure we add our origin, zip code, as well as the date we want it to be available for pickup. And then we will also input destination, postal code. Make sure we got this as business as well. Secondly, we're going to input our commodity description, the package quantity, package type, the dimensions, and our total weight. And with that information, Koho will estimate a freight class for us. Or if we know the NMFC code number, a more accurate estimation will also be provided. In this case, they both match up. So now we can save this to our product book for future use, and we can also add another commodity if we would like. But in this case, let's just stick with the one. Once all of our information is complete, we can click on Find Rates. On this step, we will find rates from Koho's partnered carriers. We can now compare and select the service level that we want. Additionally, we can add cargo insurance. All that we need to do is specify whether the condition of the goods is new or used, and enter the value. The cost of the insurance will automatically be reflected in the rates. If we have a promo code, we can enter it here. Now, before we select our preferred service, we can review the shipment details, and we can also review the details of each carrier. We can see cargo liability limit, the on-time performance, and a bunch of other details. For this shipment, let's go with YRC. In this step, we will fill out the origin and destination details, including the pickup and delivery window and any instructions we have. Alrighty, now let's input our destination information. Alright, after we fill out our address information, we can save it to our address book, similar to the product book for future use. We can also select Set as Default if we would like to set this destination as our default destination. If we have any additional references, such as the PO number, we can add it here. Awesome, let's click Next. Alright, now on to the last step. Let's confirm our company information, review our shipment, and accept the carrier's and Koho's terms and conditions. Now we can click on Request Booking. Once the request has gone through, we will see this success message. If we have any questions or updates to our shipment, we can message Koho Operations directly through the platform.